Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking the first concrete steps. Check the host, OS version, available CPU and 2 GB RAM minimum, and at least 10 GB free disk. That prevents surprises. Install the proxy package and dependencies now, and update the system package index so libraries match. Then, reserve a static IP or DHCP lease for the server and create a secure admin account. Once done, open required ports, 3128 or 8080, and note credentials for the next phase. Now you configure the proxy service itself and focus on the complex middle steps. Open the main config file and set the listen address and port. Assign cache size to balance memory versus disk. Create access control lists to restrict networks and enable authentication. Choose digest when possible, but wrap basic with TLS. Configure caching rules and log rotation. These control performance and disk use. After changes, restart the service and test connectivity with curl or wget to confirm expected behavior. Finish by hardening, automating, and validating the deployment so it stays reliable. Enable TLS with a valid certificate, lock down admin interfaces to specific IPs, enable the OS firewall rules you planned, and enable the service at boot for resilience. Set monitoring, CPU, disk, connection errors, and automated alerts so you know when something drifts. If things go wrong, check the proxy logs first, then confirm port binding, DNS resolution, and certificate validity. Those are the usual culprits and fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.